Good morning. I'm Cherry with Missouri Star Quilt Company, and it's Tuesday Newsday.
It is. Welcome, welcome.
Yes. Just a little bit about me. For those of you who don't know me, I've been Jenny's assistant for almost 3 years now. And even though she's gone and in West Africa, I still do a lot for her in terms of catching up with emails and things like that.
Yes.
I've been with the company, like I said, almost 3 years, and it's been amazing. It's been an adventure for sure.
How did you meet Jenny?
I met her at one of our retreats I guess it's been about 8 years ago. And we
fun.
just kind of clicked, had a lot of conversations, and became close friends. And I moved here about 4 years ago, so.
Very nice.
Yes.
Do you regret it at all?
No, not at all. You know, the
Not
dollar
even with the
store has
weather?
a whole new meaning for me. But anyway, I love it here. It's just salt of the earth, people.
Yeah. No, it's a good place. It's a good place to live.
So Shelby has joined me. Shelby, tell us a little bit about it.
So my name is Shelby. I'm one of the assistant managers with the shops here. So you've probably seen me wandering around. I've actually been with the company for almost 8 years.
Wow.
So
How did you join us?
I just decided I needed to change, and I had some friends and a cousin working here, and he's like, "Hey, you should come over," and then that's how it got started.
Fair enough. That works.
Do you quilt?
I do, yes. I absolutely love it. So I usually make quilts either as a gift or I make a lot of quilts to donate.
Oh, awesome.
That's
Yeah.
great.
That's awesome.
That's so cool.
That's what I love
I
doing.
love that.
What other kind of creations do you like to do?
Let's see, I recently started embroidery. So
Yes.
that's been an adventure. So
It always is. It always is a beginning adventure. It's just like,
And you have a new baby, so you can make all kinds of things with that baby.
Yes, I
Aw.
can. Yeah. Cherry recently gave me an idea to do embroidered onesies, so
oh,
I kind of want to
cute.
start that for her.
Yes,
So it'll be
that's
fun.
adorable.
Oh
That'd be
yes.
so
And Garden Friends has such cute,
Yes.
flowers and birds and just butterflies and very loving, happy stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Have her ready for spring that way and just pop out the new designs.
Absolutely.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Absolutely.
Oh, yes.
Well, really quickly, I wanted to give you an update on Jenny and Ron. As most of you know, they're in West Africa on a mission for their church, and they are doing wonderful. I'm able to keep in close contact with them and keep up with what all's going on in their life. Jenny actually had her first trunk show last week.
Yes.
And of course, she had to make the quilts for the trunk show.
Of
And
course.
If you're on Instagram or Facebook, you may have seen those pictures. They are just
They're
absolutely
so beautiful. Oh, yes. They're so beautiful.
She's been purchasing African fabric,
Mm-hmm.
and they're just bold and beautiful. And of course, you can see Ron holding those quilts and see those little signature feet right below the quilt. So we're all thrilled for her and just so glad that we can stay in contact with her.
Absolutely.
Yeah. She sends me Instagram reels every now and then, and I texted her for Valentine's Day and said Happy Valentine's Day, and she and Grandpa seem like they're having a good time.
They are. It's been an adjustment.
Yeah, definitely
Different
missing them.
continent and new country, but they are doing fabulous, and they look fabulous.
Yeah.
So, really quickly, also, I'd like to tell you that this Friday's release is Lovely Lattice, and Natalie will be doing the tutorial. And just a little sneak peek, it's going to be kitted. And it's going
Ooh.
to have 2 different colorways.
Oh, pretty.
Look at that.
Look at those colors. I love
Yeah,
those.
really beautiful color.
And they're
Blue,
both
love that
linen.
gray.
Love that denim on the white.
Yes.
It's going to be so fun. And there's a couple of bonuses as well.
Ooh.
I'm not going to tell you about those.
Ooh, I'm excited. Somebody else will have to tell us about the bonuses.
Oh, that's right. That's
Please
right.
let us know.
So we're here today to talk about embroidery, and this is one of our newer crafts that we've gotten into.
Yeah, and
over
it's
the
been a
past
lot of
year.
fun.
Yeah, we started out with Ingrid's Flowers, which was such a great hit.
So beautiful.
They're beautiful. I put them on the back of the jacket here.
Oh, cute.
And
Here, let me get a close-up of the jacket, if I may. Because just look at how beautiful that is.
it was so much fun to make. It was so much fun, in fact, that I made a second one for Jenny.
Oh, did you really?
Oh.
That's so fair. I actually also, you inspired me. I did one too, but I just did a little butterfly on the back of my jean jacket.
gorgeous.
Yeah, it's really cute.
Yeah. And then we came out with our Christmas collection and our
Yes.
newest collection. I can't remember the name.
Garden Friends.
Garden Friends. And it's so sweet. It's very springy and happy. A lot of happy colors.
I love the yellow.
Yes, we've been stitching away. I made this little butterfly.
Cute.
Just put it on a little canvas zip bag that we do carry. And I've started this little bee.
Oh,
He's
so
not done yet.
pretty.
Yeah.
What are you working on, Shelby?
I am working on a little puppy, and it's actually from one of our newest little kits that you can get. Cherry, want to tell them about that?
Yes.
Oh,
have
look at
3 new
those.
kits that actually released yesterday.
Yesterday. Oh my
Yeah,
goodness,
and
yes.
this is Sweet Meadows.
Cute.
And you get the kit, and you can also purchase the thread packet if you'd like. And let me show you what comes in this little box here.
Now, Cherry, the threads, they are exclusive to the kits only, right?
They are, but you can use any thread.
But
that
you can use
want.
any choice that you want.
Yeah, you can use any thread, you can use any fabric, just like,
Yeah.
yeah.
You'll get your little instruction
Look at how
cards.
pretty.
Yeah, and they're so cute. Oh, they're just.
Are they
darling.
laminated this time?
Yeah, they're laminated.
Wow.
It's really cool.
That's very nice.
Yeah,
Look
but
at how
there's just-
gorgeous.
Aren't they pretty? And this is the cutest collection.
Was that a goose?
Yes, it's so cute.
That's so cute. I love that.
And then you'll get your pre-printed pitch and stitch, peel and stitch. You know what I mean, guys? And you've got all of those in there. And Shelby's actually started the
So I've
little
got the
puppy.
puppy out of the
Cute.
collection. And it's really fun. Just kind of follow along on there.
Yeah.
Nice just to sit here and stitch away.
Yeah, I believe it. I love embroidery so much.
So in addition, we also have a patriotic series.
Oh,
and
cool.
it is so cute with the thread for that.
Oh, I love that.
Isn't it cute?
Yes.
Let me show you what's in here. I can get it open. Yeah. Laminated cards once again, and there's just all kinds of patriotic.
That's so
Look
pretty.
at that truck.
Oh
Isn't
my
that
gosh.
adorable?
You know what that makes me think of? Gandalf.
Oh,
When he's
yes.
driving past
Yes.
and he's just
Aren't they darling?
That's so
And just
pretty.
In time for the 4th of
Yes.
July.
Oh yeah. Got some cute embroidery projects coming up for
And of course, you've got your pre-printed peel and stitch.
yes. Actually, do you have them out again? Do you still have? Can we check those out a little bit more? I didn't really get a close up on them when you showed
Yeah,
earlier.
Let me show you how these are. They're all numbered in correlation with your instructions.
Which is so very
I
nice.
know, but this is how
Oh,
they.
pretty.
Let's see. It goes like that, like that. You know, so yeah, they're just really cute.
How cute.
Aren't
I
they
love
darling?
that.
There's just all kinds of.
And I feel like some of these could even work for like not even necessarily just only 4th of July stuff, but like just patriotic in general or cute stars.
Aren't they cute?
I love that.
Yeah. And then our third kit is Ingrid's 2, and I'm most excited about this because I love.
Oh
the
my gosh.
flowers.
Ingrid's too. This is the more flowers that are coming
Yes,
out.
yes,
Amazing.
yes. In fact, I stitched one of them.
Oh my
the
gosh.
weekend.
Look at how beautiful that is. That's amazing.
Yeah, let me show you a little bit about this one.
Yes, and everyone has been waiting and asking and just like wanting these. And so I'm really excited that they're out.
Okay, let's look at some of the.
Oh, pretty.
Aren't they pretty?
Those are
They're
so
just
gorgeous.
In fact, I'm actually stitching this one right here.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I love the colors. And
Isn't it
look at the
pretty?
butterfly. Is that from this? What
That's
is that
actually
from?
Garden Friends. That's the
Ooh.
magnet.
Let's check that out, guys. Look at this
Isn't that
magnet.
cute?
It's so cute. Oh, I love them.
So we're having so much fun. I actually knew nothing about embroidery until our Christmas collection came out,
Oh, really?
and I was asked to do a few samples, and I'm like, okay. And I learned very quickly. It's very easy to pick up, and it's great just to sit and do while you're watching TV, or if you're in the car,
Yeah.
whatever.
Yes.
It's just
That long
fabulous.
car drive. That'd be great for those ladies that come up so far to visit us. Like, oh, I need something to do.
Right.
Embroidery. That would be a
Right.
great way to pass the time.
So I've been going at it for about 6 weeks. Or 6
Oh, wow.
weeks, 6 months, actually.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So
Very cool.
I've done all kinds of things.
Oh,
but-
look at how beautiful.
Yeah.
Those are so
Aren't they
beautiful.
pretty?
So the blue is the denim, right? This is like the denim
Yes,
fabric?
That's the denim fabric. And this is the Essex linen.
Oh, pretty. Okay.
And this is the black Essex linen. So.
Awesome. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. So those are the colors of the 2 kits right here, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Well, I can't say for sure that those are the exact kits.
Oh,
I
okay.
don't know for sure. These are actually out of the Sweet Meadows. And Rachel,
Cute.
who is the assistant for Misty and Natalie, actually stitched this. And she learned very quickly as well.
Yes, and she did a
Stitches all
great
the
job.
time. Yes.
It looks amazing.
Isn't it cute?
It's so cute. I've actually watched her work on that, I think, a little bit.
You can actually purchase the Peel and Stitch transfer sheets, which you can use on a printer.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So let me show you. It's just, it actually comes with a little thing with some, little designs if you want to use any of those.
Very cool.
And then it's just plain old stitching. Peel.
But you can print on it.
Right up to there.
Yeah.
Very
Isn't that
nice.
great? I've
That's
used it quite a
amazing.
bit. Yeah. So, and I know that we carry it. In fact, we've got some over here.
Oh,
We do.
yes, we do. I see it. We are in Quilted Home, for anyone wondering. And right there is where the Peel and Stitch printables are.
Absolutely. And we have an array of kits that have the fabric and the thread with them, all kinds of things in here. So this is your embroidery headquarters.
Yes.
Quilted Home, so.
There's so much cute stuff in here. There's just the Ingrid's is right there. The Christmas, I think, is in
The other side.
the other side. Gardens Friends is right there. There's more little kits that we have. I love Quilted Home. I honestly could hang out here all day and have a great time.
It is
Right.
peaceful
Right.
here.
All right, so this is what we're up to, and we're so glad that you guys joined us to see what's new.
Wait, I gotta ask.
Okay.
You didn't show it off yet.
What?
Your pink toolbox.
Oh,
I am so excited for
I
you
have
to
a
show it
pink
off.
toolbox, and this is what I keep all of my embroidery tools and supplies in. So these are all my little tool needle minders, and
Oh,
of course, every
cute.
grandmother has to have a picture by their granddaughter.
Yes, I was gonna say I noticed that earlier, and it is the cutest little drawing.
Oh, it serves a purpose, and I love it, and I love pink, so.
Oh, cute.
I wanted to real quickly tell you all about a couple of trips that are coming up later this year. Misty and Natalie have the opportunity to host a couple of international trips.
Yes.
And they are amazing. So Misty and Jake are actually hosting a trip to Kenya in August.
That's gonna
And
be
I know
amazing.
that we have posted some information on that, and I have been on that trip, and it's absolutely amazing. It's honestly life-changing. And so if you have the opportunity, be sure and look it up, because it's going to be a lot of fun. And then Natalie is taking a group to China
Wow.
in October. And I know she's super excited about that. I've never been to China, but I would love to see the Great Wall.
You should come, because I think I might be going on that trip.
Well, I think I might be going on it too. So.
Ooh, okay, yes. I'm
So we're
excited.
super excited. Feel free to reach out to me if you need any more information. We travel through craft tours, and Jim West is the owner and absolutely puts out some amazing trips. So,
Yes, and he's such a sweet dude. I love him.
yeah, it's great. It's great. So thank you for joining us, and we hope you guys have a great day. Stay warm,
Yes.
stay safe. If
Yes.
it's snowing in your area, and we'll see you next week.
All right, see you guys.
See ya.